Welcome to Polar Grammar class. Today we have future continuous tense. How to form future continuous tense? Shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Example, the students will be writing their exam next week. Here we have future continuous tense will be plus writing, ing form of the word write. The students will be writing their exam next week. Here also we have a time word next week. Shall or will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Example, the students will be writing their exam next week. Now we can find out when to use future continuous tense. One occasion, it is used to express an ordinary continuous tense for expressing future action. Example, it will be example, I will for example, I will be meeting him tomorrow. Future continuous tense is used to express an ordinary continuous tense expressing future action. I will be meeting him tomorrow. Then it is used to express future action without intention. A future action having no intention. Example, he will be coming back this way. Will be coming. He will be coming back this way. Here, this sentence has no intention. It is used to express future action without intention. He will be coming back this way. He is coming back this way having no intention. So, here we use the future continuous tense. He will be coming back this way. Then, third occasion. It is used to express an action that will be in progress at a given point of time in future or during a period of time in the future. To express an action in a point of time in future and during a period of time in future. For example, when I reach Munnar, it will be snowing there. It is an example of a point of time. It is a point of time. Then it will be snowing in Munnar during December and January. It is a period of time. This is a period of time. Future continuous tense is used to express an action that will be in progress at a given point of time. Given point of time in future. This is an example. When I reach Munnar, it will be snowing there. That is a point of time. Then another, a period of time. It is used to express an action that will be progress during a period of time. It will be snowing in Munnar during December and January. It is an example of period of time. So in this case we use future continuous tense. Now we can discuss it again. Future continuous tense is used to express an ordinary continuous tense in future action. I will be meeting him tomorrow. It is used to express future without intention, a future action having no intention. He will be coming back this way. Another, it is used to express an action that will be in progress at a given point of time in the future. That is example, when I reach Munnar, it will be snowing there. Then it is used to express an action that during a period of time. That is, it will be snowing in Munnar during December and January. That's example of period of time. Okay.